2005, we were in about our 8th year at Timeline, and I was itching to do a musical. And a friend of PJ's brought him a copy of a musical called Fiorello. Now, I wasn't familiar with it, but I was certainly familiar with the writers, Bach and Harnick, who I loved. So I looked at it with a real interest and fell in love with it because it's about a character, Fiorello LaGuardia, who is a fascinating figure in history. One of the most important mayors, certainly in New York's history, but perhaps in all history. He was a figure that no one thought would win as mayor. What LaGuardia shows is a different kind of politics than the politicians we're looking at today. He was old-fashioned. He was a guy who cared about individual connections with people, who really changed politics in New York City. Having done it twice in 2006 and 2008, it only seemed natural to bring this play back when we were thinking about plays that we might look back at and kind of explore again. And we didn't want to just look back and celebrate the fun that we'd had. That's part of it. But of course, we also wanted to try to explore Fiorello the man and try to really examine him, warts and all, for our audiences, and do the thing that we like to do at Timeline, which is kind of dig into the dramaturgy. When you join us on the 17th for our Fiorello event, you can expect memories and interviews of many of the artists that were involved in both productions. There'll be a live performance from one of the singers from the show, including our illustrious musical director, Doug Peck. We'll be talking about LaGuardia and how maybe what he would have thought of the world we're in today, the politics of today, how they connect to the politics from 100 years ago. And we'll be exploring more of the music, answering your questions about it, and hopefully giving you some insight and tidbits that you've never heard before.